this teacher's workshop, we want to make sure that every teacher understands DQ and how exciting it is to bring to their kids.
Today I'd like to learn a little bit more about what I can do in the classroom to really enhance the learning experience.
See how this DQ world can be applied in our school.
I want to find out a bit more about the DQ world as well as the DQ challenge itself.
The programme looks really good. It's really easy to use for children, and I think the parents will really enjoy it.
In my mind, someone who masters technology is someone who's able to make connections, making the world a better place.
To be a master of technology, one needs to be able to navigate this technology safely, responsibly, and be willing to learn at all times.
I thought it was really interesting. I learned a lot about how to support kids in the classroom and also how to maybe get the parents more involved.
So I think getting children involved and also getting the parents on board, I think with that teamwork it will work really, really well.